Musa, where are you guys going? It's so windy.
Come on, boys.
What's going on? No, it's not raining yet. Musa! Musa! Nice. Good job. Musa, are you having fun? Come on, let's go. Come on, Mikhail. Let's go to the swing. Let's go to the swing. Let's go. No, you're not baby anymore. Okay, let's go. Mikhail! It's so windy, right, Musa? Go fast! Fast! Good job, guys! You want me to go fast too? Okay. Come on. Musa, you think you're a baby? You're a big boy now. Poor Mikhail. Aww. Come here. Mickey, come here. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on, Mickey. Come on, baby. No. Man, it's windy. Look at the water, Musa.
I can't do it.
Try it. Try harder. Good job. Good job, Musa. Mikhail, you want to try again? Wow, Mickey. Wow, good job, Mickey. Wow. More? Yes, more. Yes. Yes, I'm ready. Ready. Wow, good job, guys. Mika, you're doing great. Yes, Musa, you're doing great too, honey. Good job. Yay, clapping, clapping, Mickey.